Hi friends, I hope you all are fine. In this video, we are going to learn about alphabets sounds in Spanish. So let's get started. A is A, for example, amarillo. B is B, for example, brazo. C is se, for example, codo. D is de, like dedos. E is A, for example, elefante. F is Fa, for example, feliz. G is K, like gato. H is H, for example, hombre. Remember, H is always silent in Spanish. I is E, for example, isla. J is Jota, for example, jugo. K is Ka, like kilometro. L is LA, for example, libro. M is MA, for example, mono. N is NA, like naranja. There is one extra letter in Spanish, which is NA, for example, noño. O is O, for example, ojo. P is P, like patata. Q is Q, for example, queso. R is R, like raton. S is S, like sandía. T is T, like tigre. U is U, for example, uno. V is V, for example, ventana. W is V doble, like wombat. X is X, like xylophone. Y is Y, for example, yate. Z is Zeta, for example, zorro. Remember, Z is always pronounced as S in Spanish. Let's revise all the alphabet sounds once again. A, B, C, D, A, F, K, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V doble, X, Y, and Z. Amazing facts. When G comes before I or E in Spanish, it is pronounced as H in English. Example, gente. When G comes before other vowels like A or U in Spanish, it is pronounced as a normal G. For example, gato. When C comes before H in Spanish, it is pronounced as CH as cheese in English. For example, chocolate. When it's written double L in Spanish, they can be pronounced like Y as yacht in English. For example, amarillo. When it's written double R in Spanish, or the R is in the beginning of the word, you have to roll your tongue and pronounce it as double R. For example, carro, rojo. There is no assessment for this video. Please practice on your own and you will get better. The best respondents of previous videos assessment are Nia, Yash, Vatsal, Harshika, and Sayam. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like and share.